You've probably heard about the fight, flight, freeze response, or what's otherwise known as the body's stress response. But did you know the opposite exists? Yes, there's also something known as the rest and digest response, or the vagal response. So let's learn all about it, and importantly, how to use it to your benefit. So just as anxiety, anger, and fear can cause us to enter the fight or flight response, ease and happiness can trigger the rest and digest response. This happens when the parasympathetic nervous system is triggered. This is the part of the nervous system that is associated with health, tranquility, and healing. So how can we influence our biology to trigger calm and well-being? So meet your vagus nerve. This is an amazing bundle of nerve fibers that connect your brain to various parts of your body, like an internal sensory system. A chemical compound known as acetylcholine is released into the bloodstream. This neurotransmitter plays a role in memory, learning, attention, arousal, and involuntary muscle movements. It functions in the brain and body and helps regulate breathing, heart rate, blood pressure, and it relaxes the muscles and promotes digestion. The vagus nerve thus sends messages to our organs across the body, and this triggers the release of happy hormones, essentially enzymes and proteins like prolactin, vasopressin, and oxytocin, all of which regulate our mood and help us to feel calm. And you may have heard of vagal tone. This refers to the strength of your vagal nerve, and it differs between people, affecting their physical and mental health. So if you have low vagal tone, you may be more prone to stress and other mental health problems. On the other hand, strong vagal tone can promote positivity and emotional regulation. Scientists have found that by tapping into the vagus nerve, we can improve mental, emotional, and physical health, including things like depression and epilepsy. And the great news is, you can manipulate your vagus nerve to help you feel calm and well. There are a few ways that you can activate your vagal nerve and help yourself to overcome stress. For example, one of the easiest and simplest ways is to do something that we do around 30,000 times a day, but doing it properly. Breathing. By taking slow, deep breaths into our bellies like a baby, rather than the usual chest breathing that most of us do, we engage our diaphragm. This is the dome-shaped muscle beneath the lungs. By doing this, we activate the vagus nerve because it's connected to the respiratory system. It also explains why breathwork underpins things like yoga and meditative practices. Now, if you're serious about using this knowledge as the superpower it is, one that helps you to move from anxiety to calm by understanding simply how to breathe properly, do subscribe, because we'll be releasing some videos on that very thing soon. Also, like and share if you think this will help someone you know. Bye for now.